Xiaomi is gearing up to disrupt the smartphone landscape once again. The first CAD renders of the Xiaomi 16 have surfaced, offering a bold new design paired with significant performance enhancements. At the heart of this flagship is the upcoming Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, officially named 8 Elite 2, which is set to be unveiled at Qualcomm's September 23rd summit. According to the digital chat station on Weibo, this chip, built on TSMC 3nm processor, integrates the second-generation Orion custom CPU, featuring 2 prime cores and 6 performance cores. A benchmark leak from China claims a staggering 3.8 million points on Antutu, an unprecedented 41% leap over its predecessor. If accurate, this positions the Xiaomi 16 as one of the most powerful Android devices to date. Alongside this, Majin Buu also tweeted, "Would you buy Xiaomi 16 if it looked like this?" The design introduces a squarish camera module with a triple lens setup, including a periscope shooter paired with Leica's signature color science. Surrounding sensors and an LED flash are neatly integrated. The back appears to use a two-tone finish, likely crafted from aluminum for structural integrity, with a seamless glass back to support wireless charging. One notable visual change is the introduction of Xiaomi's refined logo branding, previously seen on their electric vehicle lineup, adding a sleek, modern identity to the phone's appearance. On the front, the Xiaomi 16 is expected to feature a 6.3-inch flat-edge display with minimal bezels and a centered punch-hole selfie camera. A fingerprint scanner is embedded under the screen, and the side houses a power and volume key, notably without any dedicated action or camera buttons. The device runs on Xiaomi HyperOS 3.0, built on top of Android 16, which brings customizable quick settings, smoother animations, and a cleaner UI experience. The influence from iOS 19 is evident, but Xiaomi's take appears practical and user-focused. While the standard Xiaomi 16 will likely get the most attention, the company is also preparing the Xiaomi 16 Pro and 16 Ultra, although detailed specs for these variants remain under wraps. Meanwhile, a separate futuristic project codenamed Juke is in the works. According to Yogesh Breyer, this device, named after the mythical vermilion bird, may debut as part of the Mix series. Juke is expected to feature a true edge-to-edge display with no physical buttons or bezels. Instead, it might use pressure-sensitive sides, gesture input, or even voice commands for interaction, reminiscent of Xiaomi's earlier concept devices. It may also introduce wireless air charging and a completely portless design, with an under-display front camera like the one in the Mi Mix 4. The Xiaomi 16 is expected to launch in late October 2025, following the Qualcomm summit. Pricing is still unofficial, but based on past trends and the cutting-edge internals, it's likely to start around $699. The Mix Zook, being a concept-turned-reality flagship, could reach or exceed $2,500 if it follows the same trajectory as the unreleased Mix Alpha.